So starting the test drive in this Lincoln Navigator here, the black label is just cream of the crop, man. Even I like my interiors lighter or like a saddle brown or something, but this black here is phenomenal. Just the looks, and you can just tell that the craftsmanship behind this is no joke. And I love these black label Navigators. I love the black label Nautilus as well, but the Navigator is just top tier, I think, for the money. If you're comparing it to an Escalade, even a Grand Wagoneer, I just feel like for the overall package, the Navigator cannot be touched in terms of the value you get here. Your second row is power with massage, heated cooled seats. The second row, the center console, and just everything that goes into that little screen there, it just feels top tier in every sense. And even the powertrain here, you don't get a V8, but this twin turbo V6 is, it feels aggressive. It feels like the older Navigator V8s, and you just, you feel like you're getting, again, a lot for your money compared to the competition, in my opinion. And the Escalades, the Grand Wagoneers are nice, even the Mercedes, but I feel like for the money, you can't beat a Navigator black label. Now the black label member privileges, that's one of the coolest things about these. You get that 4-year, 50,000 mile warranty. So I think you get like up to 50 miles redelivery, and there's so much on there. I showed it on the window sticker in the walk around portion, but that's something that is not talked about enough, I feel like, to just upgrade to a black label, because you really are getting the, I feel like the Rolls-Royce treatment with a Navigator for a quarter, maybe even a sixth of the price. And, it's just it's a great overall benefit on top of just the Navigator black label in general, but to have that member privilege it just makes it, again, more of a top tier experience for a while you have the vehicle. And I've been driving in the conserve mode here, but honestly, it's very impressive how well it gets up to speed without having to give it too much. Now I am gonna put it into the excite mode here. We're gonna give it a pull. Oh, that livens things up quite a bit. All right, I won't be able to come to a stop, but I'll slow her down and give her a good pull. Here we go. So yeah, I mean, the power there is fantastic. Wasn't giving it too much, wasn't using manual mode or anything. So that is it's phenomenal. Now I want to give one more huge thanks to Ford Lincoln of Franklin for allowing me to review this Navigator today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. If you're interested in a pre-owned one or even an older body style one, hit that third link down below. Again, do the exact same thing. I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on whatever pre-owned vehicle you might be interested in. But again, for this money, man, it's just a phenomenal SUV, from how it drives to the ride quality to the amenities, the looks. And again, I just think it's top of the totem pole right now for 3-row luxury SUVs, and I'm even talking about the Rolls-Royce Cullinans of the world. So all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2026 Lincoln Navigator Black Label.